Papunta na kami ngayon sa... Saan nga ba? Ano nga ba rin pinupuntahan natin? I-pick up namin yung luggage namin. Iniwan natin sa... Ano pangalan mo? Airportel. Isa sa mga big reveal is kung nandun nga talaga yung iPhone ni Hana. Kasi naiwan niya yun.
After ilang days na
3.
social media detox.
Social media detox ba yun? For detox. For 3 days. Let's see.
Before leaving for Phuket, we left most of our luggages here in Aeroportal because we only brought pang swimming outfits. Now it's time for us to pick up our items back since we're back in Bangkok. Airportals is a travel company specializing in luggages delivery and storage. It was pretty good and the staff was friendly. We just had an issue with the booking but got sorted out immediately.
Okay, check natin kung nasa kanya yung iPhone niya. Wow!
After picking up our luggages, we head straight to the hotel, which our friend booked.
Ay, dito na kami sa Bangkok at dito kami sa hotel namin. Name is Mercure Hotel.
So Mercury is situated in Sukhumvit Soi 11 in one of the most busiest lanes of the popular Sukhumvit Road. Maraming ganap so hindi ka mapofomo and most importantly, maraming 7-Eleven na malapit. The location is really good, around 8 minutes away from the train station.
Meron kaming libreng Nescafe. Wala nito sa Pinas. Dahil nagre-record ako ng vlog.
By morning, we went down to grab some breakfast, which we really enjoyed. The buffet serves a variety of food compared to the previous hotel that we stayed at. The scrambled egg and egg benedicts are a must try.
So we're gonna have our breakfast. I think part 2 nung binayaran namin sa accommodation. And very, you can see ang ganda ng place. Better dun sa previous hotel. Mas marami rin yung options. Napinili namin lahat. Punta ngayon.
Sawadee Cap.
Sawadee Cap. We are going to Wat Arun. To wash away our sins. Whoa. Hopefully you don't.
The Grab driver that we booked was really nice and really went out of his way to explain some details for some sites that we encountered along the way. Also, he said that Pinoys are good in English kasi yung English teacher ng mga anak niya daw, puro mga Pinoy. I can't remember the reason, but what I remember is hindi na kami pumasok sa Wat Arun dahil tinamad na kami and sobrang init that time.
Ayan na po. Kita nyo na po yung napuntahan namin. Let's go. Ito yung ferry, guys. Hindi na kami, guys, pumasok sa may Wat Arun. Pero saan tayo papunta ngayon? Sa kabila. Mag-cross kami ng river para kumain. Kasi it's already 2 p.m. and we haven't had our lunch. Tapos na yung tour namin. Ay, yun yung Wat Arun.
We decided to eat at the famous J5, but unfortunately, it was closed that day. Fortunately, Tep Samay, which is quite famous for having the supposed best pad thai in Thailand, is literally located right next to J5. So we opted to have our lunch there.
Sarado yun sa J5. Next Wednesday pa daw magbubukas. So, andito kami ngayon sa Tips Samay. Kilala siya sa kanilang mga signature pad thai dishes. And currently, we're in queue. So, we're just waiting for our turn. Pasok namin guys. Yeah, pero apparently, meron pa palang nasa pinaka-loob-loob ang pangkainan. Mukhang sikat siya. Yeah, may loob pa yung loob. And mukhang... Ayan, okay ka na ba? Hindi ka na ba problemado? Anong masasabi mo sa lahat ng mga constituents mo?
Hello po.
We were given like appetizer. Please, ipakita mo naman sa mga constituents mo how to eat pad thai.
Thank you. Okay, so just in case po na hindi nyo na maalala, meron po sila.
Pakibasa? Basa?
Hindi ko na rin po
Gago. Kung paano magbasa. Baka yun yung what around mo, in-escape namin kasi may bayan. May aasahan mo kayo sa akin.
Afterwards, we went to Korpanich, popularly known for serving delectable mango sticky rice, made to a recipe that has been handed down the generations for 80 years.
Hey! We were able to grab some mango sticky rice. Saan to?
sa kay
Lola.
Korpan.
Yeah.
Korpan.
Kita namin marami siyang Michelin star. Sobrang init dito, moms. After nito mag-icon sayang na lang kami. Wala. Look. Yeah, wait lang. So nag-order kami sa store niya, tapos pinapunta kami dito. Feeling ko ano sila. Magkarelasyon. Partners, yeah. Magkakalit. Itadakimasu. Japanese. Gaucho.
And last stop for today, we went to Icon Siam to check out the wondrous dining zones located at the ground floor. The 7 dining zones each have their own characteristics and strong points, which I think magugustuhan ng mga foodies everywhere. That is it for this vlog. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.